Well, good morning, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro. We're out here on our group ride, but I thought I'd use this fire road time for the introduction of our annual fails video. So a lot of them are just like fall tip overs, stepping in a hole, tip overs, but they're fun, and it's what it takes to learn how to ride. So I compiled the whole year. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and Happy New Year. Hope to see you guys out on the trail soon. I'll talk to you on the next one. Oh! Ugh. Okay? Yep. Oh, my hip. Oh, yeah, it hurt a little bit. Oh. You got it! Oh. Wiped out. There you go. Woo! Yep, I'm good. Bailed. Come on, get straight. Oh no! Oh. So dumb. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
We'll take a picture. Devin, just put that right there.
That one doesn't count. That was dumb. Woo! Oh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Didn't close. Oh no. Safe. Oh, fell over. No! Oh. My boot hit that rock!
Can you tell us to get out of the way?
Oh, that was perfect! I'm pretty sure I got that. Yeah.